Hi everyone, welcome to Dream High Hub. This is your friend and a coder just like you. In this channel, we will learn Python, SQL, data analytics and data engineering from scratch in the simplest way possible. So let's start our learning journey together. Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies, how Instagram behind the scenes, how Google processes billions of searches, and how AI tools like ChatGPT are built? Behind all these amazing technologies, one programming language is used everywhere, and that language is Python. In today's video, we are going to learn what Python is, why it is so popular, where it is used, and we will write our very first Python program together. So if you are a student, a working professional, or an aspiring data engineer, or simply someone who wants to enter into the tech world, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before understanding Python, let's first understand something very important. What is programming? Programming simply means giving instructions to a computer. Just like we give instructions to people, we give instructions to computers using programming languages. For example, if you tell your friend, please bring me a glass of water, your friend understands the instructions and performs the task. Similarly, computers also, they understand programming languages. So we have programming languages like Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript, etc. So what is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is famous because it is easy to learn, easy to read, beginner friendly, powerful, and used by top companies around the world. Many famous companies use Python, including Google, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, Uber, and many more. Today, Python is used by millions of developers and organizations. You might be wondering, where exactly is Python used? Python is used in many areas including web development, data analytics, data engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, cybersecurity, software development, and many more. So by learning Python, you are learning one of the most valuable skills in today's tech industry. Think of Python like a universal toolbox. If you want to build a website, Python can help. If you want to analyze sales data, Python can help. If you want to automate repetitive tasks, Python can help. If you want to build AI applications, Python can help. That's why Python has become one of the most demanded programming languages in the world. Why you should learn Python? There are many reasons to learn Python. Due to its easy syntax, beginner friendly approach, huge job opportunities, and there is a high demand in the industry, and it is also used in AI and data science. Plus, there is a large community to support you. Even if you have never written a single line of code before, Python is one of the best languages to start with. Now let's write our very first Python program together. In this video, I will be using Google Colab, a free online platform for writing and running Python code. You can also use VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, etc. for practice later. Let's write our first line of code. This is the most famous program for every beginner. Now let's run it. Here, print is a built-in Python function. Its job is to display information on the screen. When you use print, it is like asking Python to talk to us. Whatever we put inside the braces, Python prints out. So print of hello world, Python literally says hello world back to us on the screen. Suppose if we write print of welcome to Dream High Hub, it literally gives us whatever we write inside the braces. Simple, right? Each print statement displays a line of output. In this Python series, we will learn variables, data types, operators, conditional statements, loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, file handling, object-oriented programming, OOPS concepts, and Python projects, and much more. In the next video, we will learn comments, docstrings, variables in Python, and understand how computers store information. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.